Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Craft, and in this episode I'm going to show you how I prep my beds for fall planting. Stay tuned. So if you watched my first part of me cleaning out my beds, welcome back. I'll leave a sticker up here somewhere if you're interested in seeing it if you have not. Lots of fun. As you can tell, I put up a sweat. So it's always good to sweat a little bit, isn't it? So now I'm ready to actually begin prepping my beds by replenishing the soil and laying down some mulch. And I just wanted to walk you through real quick on how I do one of them. Okay, hang tight. Just so you want a nice thick layer here. That's going to help protect my fall babies too. Protect their roots. Because as we know, brassicas love cool weather, and all, but you still want to keep their roots from freezing. That is that. So now this bed is ready for planting. Let's actually get my irrigation back in here and fix this one real quick. Okay, and that, as they say, is that. Okay, so there we go, guys. That's how I dress my beds. Next weekend I will actually, or maybe sometime next week during the week, I will actually plant some seeds out here. Oh Lord, I look a hot mess. Anyway, I'll plant some seeds out here and I will bring you back in for that. And until then, see you on the flip side. Love y'all.